iDPRT Bluetooth Label Maker 2022 3.15 Thermal Label Printer Review. Check the link below for more info and special 35% discount offer. Bluetooth Wireless Printing SP320 Bluetooth Thermal Label Printer can do wireless printing via smartphones, including iPhone and Android. With the steady Bluetooth connection, it can be used for printing address labels, UPC codes, barcode labels, DIY labels at home or office. COVALENT S1P320 is not for 4x6 shipping labels. Free DIY label editing software and app with free label editing tool High Label app for iOS and Android, and Label Designer software for Windows. SP320 Label Printer for small business offers label templates for customizing labels. It can meet a variety of printing needs, whether for personal, household, or commercial usage. Label Designer could be downloaded from iDPRT official website. COVALENT S1P320 is not for 4x6 shipping labels. Ultrafast Printing Speed and 203 dpi Resolution SP320 Bluetooth Label Printer can print 140 PCs 2x3 labels per minute, 7 IPS or 180 mm per second, nearly 100% faster than common label printer. Supported by the high resolution of 203 dpi, the thermal printer is an ideal choice for multiple scenarios including home, office, shop, market, warehouse, etc. Max printing width 3.15, available for any thermal direct label with width from 0.98 to 3.15 inches, 25 mm to 80 mm, meeting various printing scenarios including home, store and office. SP320 is compatible with labels from any brand on the market. Easy connection for wireless Bluetooth connection. Please connect the thermal printer to your phone via the High Label app, then you will be able to create a new label, customizing the correct size and pattern. For PC connection, please connect the printer to your PC with the USB port included in the package. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.